Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where learning is quick, easy, and fun. As you must be familiar that SSC board exams dates have been announced. So it's quite obvious you must have been under pressure to how to score maximum marks in the exam. So let me help you with this. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about 10th science paper pattern and also how to manage time. Moving ahead to the paper pattern. As science is a subject which not only requires knowledge but also strategy so that we can complete the paper in given time and score maximum marks out of it. But for scoring maximum marks out of it, we first need to understand what is the exact paper pattern for the science subject. Let's dive into the video. Now, as you all can see, table is displayed where the paper pattern of science has been divided into total 4 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4. Question number 1A, which consists of 5 sub questions, which comes for 5 marks. Here, in this, all the questions are objective based. That is, in simpler words, I can say it is fill in the blanks type of question. Question number 1B also consists of 5 sub questions, and the marks allotted over here is also 5. Over here, all questions are objective based except fill in the blanks type of question. Moving ahead to the next question, that is question number 2A. Here, 3 questions will be given to us, and from those 3 questions, the child is expected to attempt any 2 questions which are there for 4 marks. Here, the questions are give scientific reasons based questions. Now, moving ahead to the next question, that is question number 2B. Here, 5 questions will be given, and from those 5 questions, the child is expected to attempt any 3 questions for 6 marks. Here, the questions are short length questions. Next is your question number 3. Over here, 7 questions will be given, and from those 7 questions, the child is expected to attempt any 5 questions for 15 marks. Here, the questions are long and descriptive based questions. Moving to the last part of the paper pattern, that is your question number 4. Here, 2 questions will be given to us, which will be long, theory based on diagrams or anything. And from those 2 questions, 1 question is expected to write, which goes for 5 marks. This was in short summary about paper pattern for science. This paper pattern is common for 9th and 10th standard and for science paper number 1 and also paper number 2. Now I hope the doubt is clear about paper pattern. Let us move ahead in the next part of the video where we are going to learn how to manage time while writing with the paper. As everyone knows, science paper is total of 40 marks and 2 hours are been given to us for completion of that paper. Now, 2 hours means 120 minutes. Now, let us divide this 120 minutes into small parts so that we can complete the paper in that given time. Question number 1A. So, as soon as we receive the question paper in your hand, First 5 minutes we are going to keep aside for entirely reading the paper. This first step is very crucial and not to be missed, because what is exactly asked in the paper, how are we expected to write, what type of questions are given in the paper, we become familiar with all those stuff when we read the paper thoroughly. So this first 5 minutes is very, very important. Now, question number 1A first, which is the fill in the blank type of question. For those questions, we are going to keep aside 10 minutes. Then for question number 1B, which is once again for 5 marks, objective based questions, we are going to keep aside more 10 minutes for that. As these are objective based questions, I really don't think so will require 20 minutes for their completion, but still we are going to keep it aside. And if we think that there is confusion or we are not sure with the answer, we are going to leave certain space over there so that we are not going to waste extra time behind this objective question and move ahead with the next theoretical part. Moving to the next question, that is question number 2A, which are give scientific based questions, give scientific reasons. Here also, as we know, only 2 questions have been expected to answer. Here also for this, we keep aside 10 minutes. Then for question number 2B, we have to attempt only 3 questions. So for these 3 questions, 15 minutes are more than enough, 5 minutes each per question. Then moving to the next question, that is your question number 3, which are long and descriptive based questions. Your 15 marks questions are 15 marks have been given. So therefore, we are going to keep 40 minutes for writing the answers of these questions. And our last is your question number 4, where only one answer is expected to be written. Here we keep the 15 minutes for writing the answer. Now, if we calculate total, still we are having 15 minutes remaining with us. So now, in the last 15 minutes, we can recheck the paper if any mistakes we have done, or any improvisation which is required, or any answer which you have not written before, that you can attempt in this remaining 15 minutes. This makes our total of 120 minutes complete without taking any stress and panicking. If we follow this timetable, I'm sure you would be able to complete the paper on time and you can score maximum marks in the paper. I hope this trick will help you to score maximum marks in the exam and to complete your paper on time. If you think this information is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share the video with your other SSC friends so that they can also follow this timing and get maximum marks in their exam. Thank you.